two people out here, and that's Sue and Patrick. I don't sleep because I'm scared of sleeping, because I got robbed and filmed when I was trying to get some sleep. I had an epileptic fit when I was sleeping and someone robbed me and sexually assaulted me. So I'm out here on my own. I'm looking after Sue and Patrick. It's the best thing I could do.
Bro, stop being a cunt and move, bro. Move, bro, move. Everyone walking. Can everyone walk with me? Can everyone walk with me, please? Otherwise, no one's going to eat, bro. I'm going to destroy all the food, bro. I'm going to destroy all the food, bro. And I'll go to jail.
We've got water crisps, so you get 2 little chocolates normally. And then all the stuff tonight, I think it's because it's Diwali. And Halloween as well, I guess, combined together. With a few extra bits and pieces. And yeah, it all depends.
Get all this, sometimes it's just like a sandwich.
Yeah.
A bottle of water or something, a bag of crisps and maybe a chocolate bar.
Okay.
On the Thursday, see these two.
Why do you only have one life? Because sometimes you know you've done it before, something.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what it is. You've done things before, and you think, how did I know that?
Yeah.
So you must live more than one life to know.
Move back. Everyone, bro, just come down to the Come down there, everyone's going to follow you.
Ringo.
How you doing, man?
I'm good, how are you?
Ain't seen you for...
How was Germany?
Germany was alright.
I seen it on YouTube.
Oh, thank you. How's things been?
Yeah, been good.
Been good, yeah? I'm out tomorrow again with the kitchen.
Oh, you're back down there again, down by the market?
Yeah.
I said to him, no. I said, you've been there before. That's why you knew where the police station was.
Yeah.
I said, you do live more than one life.
So look.
There's mustard mash and some soup in there.
Right.
That's jack potato, cheese and beans.
Yo!
Jazzy's on one out here tonight. Like, look, it's not a joke thing. Still need the food. You still need the Ringo Vision organic food with the fresh vegetables, the yam, the cocoa, the dasheen, the carrots, the garlic.
Everyone go further back.
Bubble, everybody needs to go further back.
Everyone carry on walking. Please.
People here,
Yeah.
these Asian people,
Yeah.
they come here and they supply the jack and potato, cheese and beans every week.
Okay.
But on other nights you won't get hot food.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yes, people, big up yourself and welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen, people. Yeah, I'm live here.
Come on, you already know I was looking for the drink this whole time and I just find it.
People, yeah, guess what I go on here? Today is something different, people, yeah? This is it. Yes, people, I go on something different. Guess what I feel for right now, yeah? Something, I'm on the roadside, people, yeah? And it's I go on, big man, and it's a festive season right now. Let me say Halloween. I'm on the road, people, yeah? So look out for this video, yeah? Good vibes. Fish and chips, that is it. People, so this is a local fish and chip shop on ends, people, yeah? So I'm gonna get the fish and chips. We're gonna be back on the road again. I'm gonna be doing some storytelling today, people, yeah? We might get a random few people that might want to tell a story of a spiritual encounter or some encounter that they've ever had, people. How good vibes, that is it. Sugar P.
Come on, you already know, man, we're here.
That is it. Quick little fish and chips, mate. Quick things that had to come in the shop, yeah? This is just to go with the fish and chips, people, yeah? Little hot pepper sauce, spice it up. It can't just be plain old British fish and chips, you know? That is it. Quickly just cutting through the ends, people, yeah? So this little road here, yeah, sir? You understand? This little road here is called Mitcham Road, people, yeah? Yeah, man, good vibes. That is it. Fish and chip shop there. Fish and chips in the car, people, yeah, good vibes. That is it. Good vibes. People are good vibes, so we're just gonna be pulling up in town right now. Good vibes. So we have to give way at the zebra crossing. Ah, look at that cute little baby girl. Right up on the roadside somewhere. Just in the heart of town right now. This is Croydon people, yeah? Outside active in Croydon. Where? Yeah. I'm in town now.
Come on, ready no see. And 1,000.
Yay.
I got them on camera. Live feed. You feel the power. You feel the manifestation of the optimum.
Babla. Fireworks, I light up, you know. Big up 24-hour kitchen.
24-hour kitchen, big up.
That is it. People are outside. We're just gonna take a walk through town right now, yeah. Grimsby. Oh, you mean? You see?
Why do you only have one life? Because sometimes you know you've done it before, something.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what it is. You've done things before, and you think, how did I know that?
Yeah.
So you must live more than one life to know these things.
So is that reincarnation?
Well, possibly. I don't understand how, say, God works, or Jesus works, but everyone who's prayed for me, it's always been Jesus. It's never been God Himself. It's always been Jesus, and I think there must be a reason behind you having more than one life. I don't believe. I mean, I've been to a place and I think and somebody hits me in the head and says, "You've been here before." I don't remember being there before, but it's like I know I've been there before. Mick, my partner, he went to Brussels as a 14-year-old schoolboy.
Yeah.
With 3 of his mates. They wandered around and got lost.
Right.
And Mick took them straight to a police station, and he wanted to know how he knew where this police station was.
Right.
I said to him, "You've lived that life before, and you've been to Belgium before. You knew where that police station was." So
It could all be so.
huh?
It could be so.
Yeah, I mean, he said at the time, he said he didn't know the police station was round the corner in his head,
Yeah.
but something led him straight to the police station.
Around the corner.
And he said, it was like, how the hell did I know that?
Yeah.
He thought he was in Belgium for the first time in his life.
Yeah.
But I said to him, no, I said, you've been there before, that's why you knew where the police station was.
Yeah.
I said, you do live more than one life.
So look, everyone, yeah. So
when his mum died, she died with a smile on her face because she knew
yeah.
that there was a chance she was going to come back again.
You definitely believe that?
Yeah, I mean, my mum, she was determined. My dad said to her, if you pass before I do, what do you want? Do you want a burial or do you want a cremation? She said, I want a burial. She said, because I know I'll come back at some point.
So what would be the difference if you had a cremation?
Huh?
What would have been the difference if you had a cremation?
I know the soul, your spirit leaves your body when you die.
Yeah.
But I don't know why she just didn't want to be cremated. I think she was frightened that perhaps some of her spirit might still be left and might be destroyed.
Okay.
You know, I mean, I don't know. We didn't really talk too deeply about it.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, dying is not a good thing to talk about, you know what I mean? But yeah, I mean, I believe you have more than one life. Because you see things and you've done things before and you think, how did I know where it was, or how did I know how to do that, or how did I know where to go?
This is interesting, everyone, yeah? Everybody, this is very interesting, yeah? I'm outside and I'm right here with Sue. And I just thought I'll just come out here today and I'll just do a walk around town and I'll just do a check-in on everyone and just speak with everyone that I've been feeding over the last 16, 17 weeks now. So, and Sue's got an interesting story, not just to tell me, but just to share with all of you guys. And like I said before, if you guys can help and you guys are on the journey and you can support Sue here in Croydon, people, yeah, please pop by and please bring something by for her. Her story is very, very interesting. You've got a very interesting story there, Sue. How do you manage out here on the high street with all this racketeering at night?
I sleep like a log. I sleep really well.
Does it not bother you at all?
Not really.
Actually doesn't bother you out here with all the noise and because you know, like, this high street is it can be like very hectic at night sometimes, especially down the West Croydon end.
Yeah.
So
But
like,
it just doesn't bother me. I mean, Mick used to laugh at me,
Yeah.
my partner,
yeah,
because when we were in Greece, we used to get some really bad thunderstorms.
right.
And in the morning, he'd say to me, "Did you hear that thunder last night?" I
Yeah.
go, "No." He said, "I didn't think you did." He said, "Because you were snoring your head off."
So
I would say I'm partly deaf in my right ear.
yeah,
And I put my left ear down on a pillow, and that is it. I am gone.
gone.
I am gone.
So when you're tired, you want to sleep.
Apparently, do you know Ziggy?
Yeah.
She tried to wake me up the other night. She said, "I tried to wake you up the other night." She said, "And you were dead to the world." She
Right.
said,
And
"I just could not wake you."
And Ziggy just sleeps right there.
You know?
Yeah.
And there was four or five of them over there, laughing and joking.
Yeah.
And I just went zonk, and that was it. I was out cold.
Wow.
I have a natural instinct for sleep.
Yeah. So thank God for that people, thank God that when Sue's out here, she can actually get a good night's sleep. So when she's actually tired and it's actually time to rest, she doesn't really worry about that. She actually gets her rest.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I can go to bed. I can go to sleep, say 9 o'clock here or 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
And I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning.
On point. So and how do you start your day?
I have a wee first.
Alright. But in the sense of like breakfast and
Well, I just pack everything up and I walk down the road and
go for a walk and
yeah.
Alright everyone, yeah. So look, it's a very different type of lifestyle out here, being homeless, and as you can hear from Sue, she's telling us some stories and she's telling us like how it actually is first thing in the morning and how it is at night. Do you understand?
I mean, first thing in the morning, I wake up, there's a street sweeper.
Yeah.
There's a street cleaning machine comes along.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, because they're cleaning out all the
You
rubbish
must know
from the
everything
night before.
you must know everything that actually happens here on this high street.
Yeah, I see everything. People going to work, people on bikes, you know. I always get a lot of good mornings now because they've got to know me.
And I'm sure like interactions from the public does make a big difference.
Yeah.
Like I hope that before Christmas all of you guys could actually be in even if it was a shared accommodation in somewhere, like closed up for the Christmas.
Well, they're meant to take you in because apparently someone told me by law they have to give you shelter in the winter overnight.
Yes.
You might have to be out on the streets all day, but overnight you're meant to be
Sheltered. Right.
Because of the cold.
So is there no like actually refuge for like homeless at night time?
A lot of places open up as shelters overnight, apparently. But only from sort of like tomorrow, which is the 1st of November. They usually start November time. And I think it's around to about the end of January or February, I'm not sure.
Look everyone, look, as Sue just said, tomorrow is the 1st of November, so look, it's Halloween night, so alright, and I'm outside.
Yeah, I got his food, you've got spooky look on.
Alright, good vibes people, that is it.
pour it.
Look, hey, people, don't play around with Sue, you know. Sue used to have her air rifle, yeah, and she's a target shooter. Yeah, don't play with her. Is that right, Sue?
Yeah, I used to be a really good shot. I
Yeah.
used to be. Yeah, take a bit of practice again, but I probably could do it again.
Yeah. How long did you do that for?
I did that for a couple of years. I used to shoot the birds in the garden to beat the ferret.
Yeah. Okay. The ferret is the ferret a little long furry thing?
Yeah, long furry thing with banded eyes.
Okay. All right. A ferret, people. Yeah.
It was called Tess.
If you know what a ferret is, people, yeah, put it in the comment section, please. Thank you very much. Our good vibes.
Sorry.
Yes, everybody, I'm here. I'm joined with Anita. Big up Anita for wanting to tell us her story today, people, yeah, and how she's actually suffered from epileptic and the trauma and the experience behind it.
I found out 3 years ago that I was epileptic fits. I didn't realise until someone called the ambulance, and the ambulance people told me I was epileptic. I've bitten all inside my mouth. I've had three strokes. I've got a lot of health problems, a lot of mental health. I've been sat outside council for 2 years and no one's helping me because some little girl set fire to my house. I don't care what was in my house. It's the vases that had my auntie and my son's ashes in, and it killed me. I've just lost my twin sister 8 months ago, and I haven't grieved over my family. I've lost all my family. I'm just on my own now. And then someone goes and tells my kids that I'm a crackhead whore, and my kids are now not talking. That's why I went on a tree saying rest in peace to my sister. But I look after 2 people out here, and that's Sue and Patrick. I don't sleep because I'm scared of sleeping, because I got robbed and filmed when I was trying to get some sleep. I had an epileptic fit when I was sleeping and someone robbed me and sexually assaulted me. So I'm out here on my own. And looking after Sue and Patrick is the best thing I could do.
So Anita, that's so touching to know that you're actually facing this, and at the same time you're on the streets and homeless. How long have you been homeless for?
2 years.
And
Not getting help.
have you had any form of living accommodation in that 2 years? How do you keep your hygiene levels and things like that? How do you stabilize yourself?
I'll go and have washes in McDonald's or Tesco's, or I'll go to my friends in the... Hang on. Hang on. Thanks. Hang on. Wait, I'm doing something quickly.
Yeah. Yeah, go on.
I help a lot of people out, a lot, and I get robbed every day.
So look, some people just come to just giving her something as well to help her out. You understand? But at the same time, yeah, what could actually be done to? What kind of support do you need?
I need a lot of support. I need someone to come out and like the homeless team.
Yeah.
Like they should be really coming out here. I've been going to crisis. I've been going everywhere to try and get help. But every time they say they're going to come out, I have to move from the spot where I'm at because I'm getting battered.
What is crisis?
Crisis is like a homeless people where they can help get you a support worker, let you have showers, and you know this Market Street.
Right.
You've got the market.
Right,
Crisis is just there, and then you've got the homeless team.
Okay. So are they any good?
At the moment they're not, because no one's come out to us.
So do they know that you suffer from epileptic?
Yeah, they do.
What triggers your epileptic?
Stress.
Do you feel stressed right now?
No, not now.
That's
I like to calm myself down.
And how do you do that?
by walking around in circles. But if you see me pacing up and down, that's me just getting myself calm a lot.
How do you feel calm right now?
Yeah, I feel calmer. I really do.
And people that's watching this right now, this is the conditions and situations of a lot of people. You've seen me go out. I've been out with a shopping trolley and I'm pushing it along the high streets. Food is one thing and feeding someone is one thing, but to find the core solution and the problem, as Nita is telling us tonight, that she suffers from epileptic. She's going through other traumatic stress that's affecting her and that's mentally affecting her. So even just to do the normal thing, especially not even be able to get the right rest, the right sleep, your body's broken down, your mind is broken down. So she needs that support factor to rebuild, to get her back on her feet, everybody, yeah? So we want to try and help people like Anita that's out on the streets of London. And there's a lot of stories out here, and I'm sure you guys know a lot of stories, but behind the stories is someone that's breathing just like us. So, and we're a part of the human race, and it's a togetherness. So, Anita, thank you for your time today.
You're welcome. And thank you for helping us. It's been nice for someone to come out here and help, like, feed us. When we're sat out here begging for food, people walking past, like spitting at us or like throwing money at us.
Right.
Pass the money. Don't throw it at us. We're not dogs.
It's true.
We're human. We're the same as you lot. But yeah, we might be homeless. It don't matter. Treat us with some respect.
That's right.
Don't treat us like dickheads, because we're not. We're the same as everyone else.
All right, people, yeah? I want you to just take in Anita's story, yeah? And just, you understand? Just soak it in. And let's try and make a difference out in our society, you understand? We don't need people to be sleeping in the corners, underneath shop phases, on high streets that people are going shopping. These people need homes to live in. These people need to wake up to be able to try and get themselves back on track, whether it's to find work, whether it's to get themselves back into a healthy, active routine, everybody, yeah? Let's try and make a difference. You understand? Our good vibes. Anita, thank you, yeah?
Big up.
Big up, yeah? Thank you.
Thank you, Ringo.
Yeah, I'll be out tomorrow anyway, yeah?
No, yeah?
Yeah.
What time?
From about 12?
12.
Yeah, midday. Yeah. All right, see you later, Anita, yeah?
Thank you. Bless
All right,
you.
bless.
And it's nice to see you.
Yeah, come on. Sue! Yeah, big up. Sue, I'm gonna come out tomorrow with that hot food.
Right, okay, babe.
Yeah? Alright, bless up, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.